So in our day-to-day life, we obtain various food materials from various sources. So one of the major source of food for our day-to-day life are plants. Plants are a kind of living organisms that prepare their own food materials by the process called photosynthesis. So let us discuss about photosynthesis. It is a common process seen in all living, almost all green plants and green living organisms like algae. So what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a live process. It is a live process. What is meant by live process? The process by which living organisms can survive is nothing but live process. The word photosynthesis is derived from Greek word. Okay, it is derived from the Greek word. Okay, here photo means sunlight. Photo means sunlight. Synthesis means putting together or prepare. So what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Preparation of something by using sunlight. So what is photosynthesis? The process of making food by green plants by using sunlight is called photosynthesis. The process of making food by green plants or anaerotrophs is called photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis process is one of the most important life process by which synthesis of food materials takes place by most of the green plants and most of the autotrophs. Okay, photosynthesis process is commonly called Kiranajanya Samyoga Kriya. Photosynthesis is also called Kirana Janya Samyoga Kriya. It is also called constructive process. It is also called constructive process, also called synthesis process, also called anabolic process. Photosynthesis is also called anabolic process. It is also known as energy utilizing process. So in this, energy which is coming from sun is used by green plants for preparation of their food. So energy utilizing process. It is also called endothermic process. Endo means inside, thermic means energy. So green plants use energy for synthesis of food material. Because of that, it is also called endothermic process. So these are the synonyms of photosynthesis what we studied in class 5th, 6th and even 10th class too. Isn't it? So photosynthesis process make the green plants as universal food providers. Photosynthesis process make the plants as universal food providers. Food providers. Why? Because green plants are the organisms which prepare their own food materials for themselves, for also other living organisms. Because of that, photosynthesis process make the plants as universal food provider. Okay. So this is the chemical equation for photosynthesis, that is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise sunlight and chlorophyll C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2. This is the chemical equation for photosynthesis. Okay. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide will react with 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of oxygen, 6 molecules of water. Isn't it? So if you observe chemical equation for photosynthesis, there are some products present before arrow mark that all are called raw materials. So what are the raw materials for photosynthesis? Raw materials means the materials which required for preparing something. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll are commonly called raw materials for photosynthesis. So if you observe in chemical equation of photosynthesis, there are some products present after arrow mark. Those are called end products. What do we call? End products. So what are the end products of photosynthesis? Glucose, oxygen and water. So these are the 3 end products of photosynthesis and 3 raw materials for photosynthesis. Okay. So this is a brief information about